Hi guys, you're welcome back again to my YouTube channel. I'm Confidence, a mommy vlogger based here in Abuja, Nigeria. If today is your first time seeing my beautiful face, you are highly welcome. Please relax and enjoy this video. And for my returning subscribers, may God bless you, bless your going out, bless your coming back. Amen. Thank you so much for all the things you have been doing for my channel. Thank you so much. So today we are going to be talking about how to treat mouth odor. This mouth odor has caused a lot of problems in our relationship, both in boyfriend and girlfriend relationship, fiancé and fiancée relationship, and couples. This mouth odor can cause many things. Like, can you imagine, maybe you go to bank and somebody just like approached you and asked you, please, can you just give me your pen, like pen to use and to write something, maybe to write something that you want to do in the bank. And because of what is coming out from that person, the approach was good, just basically the smell that is coming out from that person, you have no option than to just nod like this, nod like this. Even the good afternoon or good morning or good evening the person greeted you, you were not able to like reply the person. You just nod your head like this and give the person the pen. This mouth odor is so painful. It's so painful, and I am here with the remedy on how we are going to treat mouth odor. If you are suffering from mouth odor, this video is basically for you. Carry your chair gently and sit down. Let's discuss one-on-one. Okay? So this mouth odor, we are going to treat it, and it will go by the grace of God. And to the glory of God, you are going to come back with testimony. It is a natural remedy that anybody can do by his or herself. You can do it for your children, you can do it for your husband, you can do it for yourself. Just prepare the remedy and give to them to be taken. What are we talking? What is the powerful ingredients are we talking about today? We are talking about gloves. A lot of us know what gloves is all about. If you don't know glove, go to those people that is selling food stuff. They sell gloves as well. Unfortunately, I don't have glove here, but I need to pass this message to you guys. If you're suffering from mouth odor, when you buy glove, use your hand, like fetch full glove of your hand, like fetch it and let it full your hand. Then go and get Eva water, that big Eva water. If you are here in Nigeria, you know what I'm talking about. Go and get Eva water, like the can. Remove the water there, then the can. Bring that big Eva water. What am I saying? Bring the big Eva water. Then those gloves that is in your hand, then you put it inside the Eva water can. Put it inside there. Then the water that is there, you can as well, if it is too much that the glove will not enter, you pour them small, make it to just be okay for you, something that you can use for 7 days before you do another one. That's why I asked you to get Eva water can, the big Eva water can, or Nestle water. Or those of you that is in abroad, please, I don't know the type of bottled water that you guys are using there, but just get a bigger bottled water can, okay, so that it will last for you for 7 days. It will last for you for 7 days. Then what you are going to do, you put it there, you put the glove inside that can, put water inside. Then when the water is about to fill the can, then you just cover it. Go and keep it somewhere else for 2 days. After 2 days, what you are going to be doing is you are going to get a short glass. If you have all this snap glass, it's okay, preferably. But you have long glass, this big glass cup, that's what I mean, glass cup, then the big glass cup, you give it half of it. But if you have short glass cup, then you pour the thing inside, the water inside, let it fill the short glass cup, then you drink it first thing before you eat anything, and last thing before you go to bed. You drink it, but you put it inside that can for 2 days, so that the things you need will come out, the color will change. Are you getting me? Then you start making use of it. Before you eat anything, you drink the glove water, then before you go to bed, you still drink the glove water. Do this thing for 7 days. Before that 7 days, you will see change. But when you see change, do not just leave that thing. Are you getting me? Some of us, the odor that is in our mouth can kill fowl. So you just don't, maybe you just do it like 4 days and you start seeing result, and you just drop it and say, it have worked for me. No, you can as well do it like your everyday routine. It's not bitter, it's not sweet, it just tasteless. So you do it like your everyday routine. Then when you are doing it, you will find that even the headiness of your teeth, okay, sometimes it's not even from it's from, basically sometimes it's even from should I say ebrumpotowa. You just, when you are coming, when you started talking, your mouth as well started smelling. So my dear, what you are going to do is, when you see that it has worked for you, continue. Do not stop. Okay, do not allow it to go like before again, go back like before again. Just continue where you stop, and you find out that it will definitely work for you. There's power in glove water. Do not boil it. Put it inside water can, any water can of your choice, but let it be a big water can that will last for you for 7 days. After that 7 days, remove that water, remove the gloves, and put another one. Glove is not costly in the market. For those of you that will be thinking maybe you are going to spend like this and spend like, it's not that costly. You can use 500 naira here in Nigeria to buy as many that can last you for like a month. Okay, then you can use 1,000, the one that can even last you for 2 months. So please, you can make this remedy for yourself, for your children, for your husband. If it is your husband that is suffering from this, use it as a Easter gift for him, please, because Easter is fast approaching. Use it as his Easter gift. Prepare it for him and start giving it to him. You will find out that relationship that, sometimes because of the mouth odor, you keep distant from your spouse. So please, because of this, we find our relationship is just not really stable like the way it is, because you wouldn't want any kind of smell to come into your nose. Please, if you love the person that you are with, do this remedy for him. It is natural. It doesn't have any side effects. It is not diabolic. It is not fetish. It is glove. Everybody knows about glove. Put the water, 2 days after, start making use of it. You can do this for your children. You can do this for your husband. You can also do this for your friend. You can also do it for your enemy. You can also prepare this for yourself as well. Please, do this and come back and give me testimony. Like I said before, when you start seeing results, do not stop. Continue. Do it like your everyday routine. Okay? And you will find out that a lot of things will change in your body. Okay? I would like to hear your testimony when this thing work for you. Okay? Thank you so much. If you have watched me up to this point, I will see you in my next video. But for now, remain blessed, stay safe, take care, bye bye.